Welcome to our channel Worldwide Wanderlust. Our mission is to capture the passion and excitement of traveling and exploring the world. Today, we will be taking you on a journey through Sydney, Australia, a vibrant city that seamlessly blends iconic landmarks, cultural attractions, and breathtaking natural beauty. From the iconic Sydney Opera House to the stunning Bondi Beach, we'll uncover the charm and splendor of this magnificent city. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this adventure together. Get ready to be amazed, entertained, and inspired. Our first stop, the world-renowned Sydney Opera House. Sydney, the vibrant capital of New South Wales, Australia, is a captivating city that seamlessly blends iconic landmarks, cultural attractions, and breathtaking natural beauty. Our journey begins at the iconic Sydney Opera House, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Australia's cultural heritage. Take a guided tour to explore the Opera House's architectural marvels and delve into its rich history. Witness a performance at one of its many theaters, ranging from operas and ballets to contemporary dance and orchestral concerts. For a unique dining experience, indulge in a gourmet meal at the Opera House's Bennelong restaurant, savoring exquisite cuisine with panoramic views of the city and harbor. Stroll across the Sydney Harbour Bridge, an engineering marvel that has become synonymous with the city's skyline. For an exhilarating adventure, climb the bridge's arches and enjoy breathtaking views of the city and harbor from the top. If you're seeking a more leisurely experience, join a pylon lookout tour to discover the bridge's history and admire the panoramic views from the observation decks. Escape the urban buzz and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the Royal Botanic Garden, a haven of lush greenery and serene beauty. Stroll along the garden's winding paths, admiring the diverse flora, including native Australian plants, exotic species, and vibrant flower beds. Relax by the tranquil ponds, observing the playful antics of ducks and swans. Visit the conservatory to discover a captivating array of tropical plants and orchids. Experience the iconic Australian beach lifestyle at Bondi Beach, a world-renowned surf spot and a popular destination for sunseekers and beach enthusiasts. Take a surf lesson to ride the waves or simply relax on the golden sand, soaking up the sun's warmth. Stroll along the Bondi Beach promenade, enjoying the vibrant atmosphere and indulging in delicious snacks and drinks at the many cafes and restaurants. Take a scenic ferry ride from Circular Quay to Manly Beach, a picturesque beachside suburb known for its relaxed atmosphere and family-friendly vibe. Enjoy a swim in the crystal-clear waters, try your hand at stand-up paddleboarding, or take a leisurely stroll along the beachfront promenade. Explore the charming boutiques and cafes that line the Corso, Manly's main shopping street. After enjoying the beach vibes at Manly, hop on a ferry back to the heart of Sydney and step into the past at The Rocks, the city's oldest neighborhood. Travel down the cobblestone streets, each one echoing with the stories of Sydney's early days. Marvel at the beautifully preserved heritage buildings, and take a moment to explore the small, quaint shops dotting the landscape. Immerse yourself in the rich history of the area by visiting the Rocks Discovery Centre and the Susanna Place Museum, which give a fascinating glimpse into Sydney's convict past. To satisfy your artistic soul, make sure to stop by the Rocks Centre. Here, you'll find a vibrant art scene with galleries, studios, and theaters providing a contemporary contrast to the historic surroundings. Here at the Rocks, the past and present coexist, making it a must-visit spot in your Sydney adventure. After immersing in the historic charm of the Rocks, it's time to experience the contrast of Sydney's modern and dynamic side at Darling Harbour. This bustling waterfront precinct brims with a lively atmosphere, offering an array of entertainment, dining, and shopping experiences. As you take a leisurely stroll along the harbour foreshore, bask in the awe-inspiring view of the city skyline and the iconic Sydney Opera House. The gleaming waters of the harbor reflecting the city lights create a mesmerizing spectacle that's truly a feast for the eyes. Next, embark on an underwater journey at the Sydney Aquarium. Here, you'll encounter a diverse array of marine life, from the intimidating sharks and graceful rays to the playful penguins and enchanting sea turtles. The aquarium provides a window into the mysterious world beneath the ocean surface, promising an educational and entertaining experience for all ages. To satiate your cultural appetite, make sure to visit the Sydney Theatre or the Lyric Theatre. These venues are home to world-class productions of musicals, plays, and dance shows, showcasing the city's vibrant performing arts scene. Whether you're a fan of classic drama or modern dance, there's always a performance that will captivate your imagination. Darling Harbour is a testament to Sydney's ability to blend the old with the new, making it an essential stop on your Sydney adventure. As the evening star makes its appearance and the city lights begin their enchanting dance, we're taken to Mrs. Macquarie's Chair, an unrivaled viewpoint to drink in the mesmerizing view of Sydney at dusk. This ancient sandstone bench, a handiwork of convicts in 1810 assigned to Governor Macquarie's wife, gifts us a sweeping view of the Sydney Harbour. As the day gives way to night, witness the cityscape's metamorphosis from a bustling beehive to a tranquil panorama, with the iconic Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge etched against the captivating colors of the sunset. This is a moment to bask in the splendor and magnificence of Sydney, to mull over the day's escapades while being serenaded by the harbour waves and the far-off murmur of the city. The spellbinding dusk at Mrs. Macquarie's Chair is an apt conclusion to our Sydney sojourn, a quiet instant to reminisce about the unforgettable experiences we've accrued. As we bid adieu to Sydney, we take with us not just reminiscences, but a fragment of its lively spirit and timeless allure. Sydney, a city that honors its past while anticipating the future, eagerly awaits your return. And believe us, you'll be eager to come back. We hope you enjoyed our journey through the vibrant city of Sydney. As we bid adieu to the enchanting twilight at Mrs. Macquarie's Chair, we invite you to be a part of our global exploration. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting journeys to amazing world destinations and attractions. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button, and don't forget to comment below, sharing your favorite part of the video or any experiences you've had in Sydney. Your interaction means the world to us and helps us create content that you love. Through this channel, we invite you to explore the diversity, beauty, and charm of different countries and cities in the world, right from the comfort of your home. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys around the world. Until then, keep wandering and keep wondering.